Bae Colwyn, ceisio rhyddhau Tommy Creamer. Tabon yn cyrraedd yna flaen, Creamer yna ennill y bel. Hill. A Proseisi yn rhwystro'r croesiad, Hill ar ergyd, syth at Zach Jones yn y gol. 5 munud ar y cloc, yr ergyd gyntaf o'r gêm, dod gan y tîm cartra. Cumming, pas hyfryd gan Jamie Cumming. A draws y cae at Matty Hill. Hill yn erbyn a Proseisi mewn at Acpan. Acpan methu canfod Atkins. Creamer derbyn y bel yn ôl, croesiad ar draws. Jones yn dyrnu'n glir. Arbediad hyfryd gan Zach Jones. Matty Hill ar ergyd. Jones yn dyrnu'n glir, bel yn disgyn i Matty Hill ar ymyl y cwrt. Ond gwaith da gan y golwr i codi a gwneud yr arbediad. Cumming. Fyny at Acpan. Acpan ceisio yn heibio i Tabon. Acpan yna, arbediad gwych eto gan Zach Jones. Atkins a Zach Jones ar ei post yn agosa yn gwneud yr ail arbediad. Roedd Acpan rhy gry i Tabon. Yr ergyd cael ei harbed yn wych. A Zach Jones eto yn gwneud yr arbediad gan Atkins. Cyfla i a Proseisi, gael y bel i mewn i'r cwrt. I mewn mae'n dod ag at Jenkins ar peniad. Ond Rhys Truman yn casglu'n y gol. Harry Owen yn clirio. Llac gan a Proseisi, bel yn cyrraedd Acpan ar ergyd, heibio'r postyn. Do honna ddim yn bell gan Wdi Acpan. Hill. Bel yn disgyn i Cumming ar ymyl y cwrt. Wel, mi gath Cumming gafal da ar honna. Do ddim yn bell. Bel i mewn gan Richards, chwilio am Jenkins yn ennill y peniad. Taylor Crosdale, mond i fod ar y cae, mater o eiliadau. Ac yn cael cyfle gora, Hwlffordd o'r gêm o bosib. Tabon a Jenkins i fyny o'r cefn i Hwlffordd. I mewn mae'n dod, tuag at Tabon yn ennill y peniad. Ac naci, o'n i yn mynd i ddeud fod Hwlffordd ar y blaen. Peniad Kai Whitmore yn gefn y rwyd, ond Whitmore yn cam sefyll. Tabon yn illodd y peniad cynta, yn ôl i'r canol athi, ond Whitmore yn dod yn ôl o sefyllfa lle oedd yn cam sefyll. Bel yn disgyn i Creamer allan at Dan Jones. Bel yn ôl i Creamer, yr ergyd gan Creamer. Heibio'r postyn. Wel, stam lot o gyfleoedd i bod yn y gêm yma. Ac efo 10 munud o'r gêm y weli cyfle da i Tommy Creamer. Wel, Cai, dim, ti'n hapus o pwynt ar y diwedd?
Yndw, clean sheet di pwysica. Sa'n ni wedi gallu, sa'n ni wedi gallu gael 2 neu 3 ail hanner, dwi'n meddwl. Sa'n ni wedi cymryd y cyfleoedd, ond hanner gyntaf, sa'n ni wedi gael... Dwi'n meddwl gatho ni 1 neu 2 o chances hanner cyntaf fyd i keep your 3 points.
Yeah, it was a tough day. Weather's not great, pitch isn't in good condition, and it was hard for both teams. So keep a clean sheet away from home. We'll take a point and we'll just get on with it.
Well, Steve, point for you today. Are you a bit disappointed there wasn't 3?
No, because after last week's performance, we've got to start somewhere, and I thought we were really solid as a unit today. And I thought on the first half performance, we were the better team. We created 3, 4, 5 great opportunities. Should have done better with them. Keepers made probably 3 good saves, and then second half they've had 1 or 2 opportunities which were comfortable for Reece to save, and I thought it was an even game. I think if anybody was deserving of the 3 points, it'd probably be us. But we've got something to build on, because I was really pleased with the togetherness and we look solid as a unit today.
Yeah, I thought first half they had more chances than us and adapted to the conditions better. I thought we were much better second half. And like you said, clean sheet. I said to them half time, the worst thing we walk away with today is a point and a clean sheet. And in fairness to the boys, they were better second half. We had opportunities, but like I said, it was a tough day for everybody.
I fod yn onest, da ni mod i colli un gol 6-7 gêm yn y gynraedd blwyddyn yma, ond Dwi'n meddwl, mae'r hyder yn y stafell newid yn reit gred. Dwi'n meddwl, da ni gyd, nath chi weld heddiw, da ni gyd wedi sticio at ei gilydd. A dwi'n meddwl, yr unig beth ydyn nhw'n neud ydy just cwffio am 6 gêm ola.
Yeah, the vast majority of that dressing room got us into 7th place last season, and they went to Europe. They know how good it was, how much they enjoyed it, how big for the club it was, and our supporters. So that's our aim this year: is finish 7th and then get into the playoffs. Like I said, it's one game at a time, and we look forward to a big game on Friday night.
Obviously, we want to be at the top end of the table, but it hasn't been. It's not to be this season. You know, we've been unlucky in a few games, but you know, I've said it numerous times. But you know, my players have got more than enough in that dressing room to stay up.